Good morning, class 8th. As I started this chapter 9 yesterday, but the strength was so less, so I'm just making a video on its basic concepts so that you all will understand this nicely. Now, algebraic expression and identities. This is the chapter. In this, some basic terms are there which we have to know, otherwise it will be very difficult to understand the topic, okay, or the questions in this chapter. So first thing is constant. What is constant? The symbol which are having fixed numerical value, means it will not change its value. Suppose we are having 1, it will remains 1 always. 2, 22 by 7, etc, etc. Now variables, the symbols which are having various numerical values. These are mostly alphabets and they keep on changing their values. The symbols which are having various numerical values or various values, you can say, okay. So for example x, y, z, etc, etc. Now I have taken a situation. Suppose we are having x plus y is equals to 9. If I'll be taking x is equals to 5, then what will be value of y? 4. To make it balanced, okay, means to make it 9 actually. If I'm taking x is equals to 0, then y will be 9, so that we have to make it 9. And if x is equals to minus 3, then y will be 12, because it should remains 9. Now values of x, you can say 5, 0, sometimes it is x, sometimes it is 5, sometimes 0, minus 3, and etc, etc. We can have so many other values also. At the same time y is 4, 9, 12, etc, etc. It means x can have many values or various values, and similarly y can have so many values also, okay. Now next concept is algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression. So what is algebraic expression? It is combination of variables and constants connected by some or all the basic operations. We have combination of variables and constants, and some basic operations or all the basic operations must be there. Maybe some basic operations, maybe all. So I have taken one combination. This is 3x plus 7. You can see this is satisfying all the condition. Combination of variables and constants. We are having variables and constants here connected by some or all the basic operations. Plus and into two basic operations are there. I am taking one more, 7y minus 3z plus 8 plus x. Again this is combination of variables and constants, and they are connected by some or all the basic operations. Some basic operations are there, not all, okay. Next is term. The algebraic expression which is separated by plus or minus is called term. Now what is meaning of it? See, this is algebraic expression. I am just explaining here it. This is algebraic expression, okay. This is separated by plus or minus. See, this is separated by minus. So one term is 7y. Second is minus 3z. We'll be taking minus also. Third is 8. Fourth is x. It means it is having 4 terms. If we'll be looking for its terms, there will be 4 terms, okay. So I have taken some more examples like 3x plus y. 2 terms are there, 3x and 7. 3x minus y plus 7. 3 terms are there, 3x minus y 7. 7 minus z, 2 terms, 7 and minus z. Now I left one thing, that is coefficient. Coefficient means number which is multiplied with particular variable, like 3x. If it is about coefficient of x, it will be 3. Like in 7y, coefficient of y will be 7, okay. In 5z minus 5z, coefficient of z is minus 5, okay. Now On the basis of number of terms, we are having different names for algebraic expressions. Like if it is having one term, it is called monomial. Okay, like it is having one term 7x. If we are having two terms in any algebraic expression, that will be binomial. I have taken example 7 minus z. There are two terms in this. If it is having three terms, it is called trinomial. 3x minus y plus z. You can have so many examples also. Polynomial, now an algebraic expression having one or more terms with non-zero coefficients. Maybe it is having one term, or maybe having more than one terms. Okay, so that algebraic expression is called polynomial. Like terms with same variable means the terms which are having same variables, and unlike terms with different variables. I tried to explain this with the help of example. Like we are having 7x, 14x minus 13x, 5x square, 7y, 7xy minus 9y square minus 9x square minus 5yx. If we'll be separating like terms, see same variables 7x, 14x minus 13x. One group of like terms is this. Second is 5x square and minus 9x square. Second group is this. Third is 7y, and fourth one is 7xy and minus 5yx. Fifth one is minus 9y square. Okay, so this is all about like terms. Like terms means, again I'm repeating, terms with same variable. And you have to keep one thing in mind: powers of the variables must be same also. Okay, so this is all about basic concepts of algebra. Tomorrow we'll be doing some questions. Okay, thank you so much.